Yeah, keep your feet up. That's it. All right, Sonny, I'm about to get you. Whoa! Oh! How was that, Sonny? That's it. Well done, Ima. All right, that's it. How you doing? Yeah. Oh, somebody else jumped off. Yeah. All right, Ima. Sorry. Should I pull you? Yes, I know. Oh, look at that. Look, look, look. They're trying to climb up. Look, Hamish is calling. Over there. Hey. Come, Sonny. Swim in that direction. It's hard to move. We'll come and get you. How you two doing? Pull you up? Come here. All right. Who's next? All right. Should we go and get... Okay, Oscar, climb in quick. Let's go. Could you pull Oscar in? Pull Oscar. Sarah, Sonny will come in for you. Pull Oscar in. All right. Okay. Okay, now pull Oscar in. All right, Sonny. Your one is coming. Is he in? Perfect. Grab the rope. That's it. Oh, look at the cascade. How was it? I've already felt the water. It is freezing. Now, Logan needed a bit of moral support.